Hey planner people, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing today. I have these two packages, so I guess it's really kind of an unpackaging, but one is from Wonderland 222 and one is from Moterm. And the reason I want to unbox these together is because they were bought to be used together. So let's do the Wonderland package first. Okay, so this is the A6 version. I've previously bought the B6, so I have that floating around here somewhere. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh, look at how pretty this purple one is. I love that. That is really pretty. So this is the planner, and then this is the notebook. So let me just take the plastic off and we'll take a peek inside. All right, so then I also got the clear covers that go on the outside. I think I got 2 of them. Yep. Okay, so you know how clear covers work, so I'm not gonna put those on right now. So the notebook, ooh, I just wish the planner came in the purple. Ooh, I really like that. Look at how nice that is. So this is the A6 size. And I think they came out last year with the A6 notebook, but they didn't have the planner. So it has the key, an index, and then you just have blank pages. Well, I shouldn't say blank pages. They're graph pages, and they're numbered. So you do have time down the side, but you know, the graph and the time is so light that if you don't want to use it, it's not going to be intrusive. So let's see how many pages. Oh, there's ribbons, some bookmarks. Okay, so there's 189 pages, which is really going to bug me because why didn't they just, I don't know. I guess they couldn't make 190 because then the page on the other side would be 191 and it's never going to be an even number. So never mind. But yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so it's got the gold logo and it says notebook. This is like a teal color. And you got a key, an index, more index pages, 4-year overview, yearly overview. I don't know. This is very similar to what's in the weeks. In my weeks, I would use this for my vacations, weekends that I'm scheduled to work, and paydays. Quarterly, I don't really know what to do with quarterly pages. I'll have to come up with something for that, or I'm just not going to use it. If anybody has any good ideas what they use their quarterly pages for. Ooh, then we have some trackers. So there's a month tracker in here. One for every month, I should say. And then notes. So there's like just a grid page here. And then November overview. Ooh, I could start using this now. Goodness. So it's got grids, but then it's got like the sidebar here that has 4 boxes. So if you wanted to use like that as sections, like maybe AM, PM, or home and work, whatever. 1 box for each kid. I don't know. And then it starts with your monthly. So I got the dated one because I'm lazy. It's just kind of a very, very light print because, I mean, if it were any lighter, I don't know if I'd be able to see it. Honestly, it's super light. And it goes into each week. This is really nice. So it starts on a Monday, which I love. And then Monday through Friday are full columns. And then the Saturday and Sunday are stacked, which is totally cool with me because I just pretty much veg on Saturdays and Sundays. Don't have much going on. So these are very, very narrow columns. And I should measure it. I'll measure it and then put it up on the screen because I don't know where my ruler is right offhand. All right, so it starts November 1st, which is already passed. So if I want to start using it now, I could. Just wondering how my stickers are going to fit that I already have. So yeah, this looks really nice. And and now we have some graph. I would say graph paper, but it's grid paper in the back. There's a lot of it actually. So yeah, it goes from page 211 to page 288. So what's that? 77 pages? Something like that. So, okay. So the reason I bought this is I thought maybe I would do this instead of the Hobonichi weeks this year. But I'm going to tell you, it's going to be real tough for me to leave the Hobonichi weeks after I've already been using it for like 3 years. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but I do like this size. So let's see what's in the other box. Or bag, I should say. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is. This is their little A6 zipper cover. So you could put your planner in there. Like that. And have some cards in your pocket. Some stickers. And zip it up and away you go. Whoops, the little ribbon sticking out from my planner. So, yeah, that would be so cute to carry around in my purse. It's too bad it doesn't have a little outside pocket, but it is nice and compact. I don't even know. Well, luckily this notebook is pretty slim because I think it's going to be a tight fit trying to get both of these in here. But it fits. I mean, I can see where if you're a sticker person and you just jam pack this sucker with stickers, you know how books fluff up when you put stickers in them. It's going to be hard to fit that notebook in there. So, but anyway, let's take a look at this without the planner in it. So it's an A6 size. It's got this nice slip pocket here. It's got another slip pocket here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card pockets. So this first pocket goes to about here. This pocket goes to here. This pocket goes to here. Whoa, that pocket goes all the way to the bottom. And this pocket goes all the way to the bottom. And you have a slip pocket here, a slip pocket here, a pen loop with no elastic, and then you have a back pocket. So the zipper has a nice pull on it. I will say the zipper is not super smooth. And I know that I've heard, you know, like people rub a bar of soap on it or something to make it smoother, but, or maybe just using it will make it smoother. I don't know, but it really isn't super smooth. But it's not that big of a deal. So that's it. That is, I don't know. What do you think? Can I give up my weeks and go with this? I just don't know. It's really cute though. I just don't think my notebook is going to also fit in there very well with it. That's the problem. Because I could maybe put the notebook in here. Oy, that is tight. Yeah, so if you've been looking at the A6 Moterm, it's nice. And, you know, it's a decent price. But keep in mind, if you are going to have a very, very fat book, it's probably not going to be the best for you. So this is, you know, this is a decent size planner. And then, but the notebook is very, very slim. Oh, the ribbons keep getting caught in the zipper. So yeah, it's not going to hold a ton. But, you know, I am willing to give it a shot. The ribbons might have to go if I'm going to use the zipper planner, though. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe I will put my Wonderland 222 in something else. I should show you the comparison to the B6 if I can find it. Okay, let me show you the B6. We'll put the notebooks aside. Okay, so here you go. Gives you an idea of the size difference. Here, maybe I could zoom in a little. There. All right. So let's take a look at the columns in comparison. Geez, there's not a huge difference, but, you know, not as much as I thought there would be, actually. Let me go get my ruler. So you've got about almost 1.5 inches for the B6. It's pretty darn close. And the A6 is like 1.25. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's about 1.25 for the A6. And then, boy, just a little bit under 1.5 for the B6. That's not a huge difference between the column width. I mean, I know obviously you get a longer column with the B6, but I expected there to be a bigger difference in the column width. So, one more thing I wanted to show you. Let's see how this compares to like a Hobonichi. So obviously the Hobonichi is much bigger. Well, I mean, not much bigger, but noticeably bigger. So let's put both in the Hobonichi and see how that plays out. Yeah, I feel like this A6 is just swimming in this Hobonichi A6 zip cover. I almost like the way the Moterm fits a little better. And really it isn't, I mean, I feel like this is pretty much, you can see it's like filled out here. So if you're looking for compact, keeping your A6 as compact as possible, I think you'll like this Moterm. If you don't mind the fact that it's going to be kind of chunky by the time you get if you want 2 notebooks in here. Now, if you're just going to carry the planner, like maybe you only have like an A6 Hobonichi Techo. I wonder if I have one of those lying around. Of course I do. Let's just try that out. This was from 2021. Did I even use this? Oh, I waste so much money. Why didn't I use this? So nice. There's like 0 written in here. Is this 2021? Gosh darn it. Yeah, it's a little too late to start this now, isn't it? Didn't I write anything in here at all? How disgraceful. Anyway, I'm not going to dwell on it. So here is the Techo. And that fits real nice in there. So I think I actually like this Moterm better than the Hobonichi. And the reason I'm saying that is look at the size difference. Here, let me zoom back out. Look at the size difference here. I mean, if you're carrying an A6, so you're carrying it because you like how compact it is. And I really think that this is nice and compact, and more so than this. I mean, this isn't huge by any stretch of the imagination, but this is, if they just made it a hair wider here, you know, it'd be perfect. But for the money, it's pretty gosh darn good. I will say that. So anyway, that's the only thing I'm going to show you today. I do have a couple of, I have like 3 more things coming up I need to unbox. And I'm actually on a no spend for November. So today is the 3rd. I've made it 3 whole days without ordering anything. And it's really painful for me. Anyway, I'm going to be on a no spend. So after a flurry of the last of my packages that rolled in October, that will be it for a while. So, but until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye.